Okay guys, on July 14, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of Turkish sedum. It is also called as the Turkish stone crop, or botanically it is called as the sedum pallidum. Now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. Now we are just selected our first stem cutting, and this is our first stem cutting. And now this one is the second one. This one is the third one. And one more thing, I would like to tell you that the success rate of this sedum in our area is 100%. Means that no stem is used to destroy it at all. So now we have removed the lower leaves of the stem cutting, because when these leaves get in contact with the soil, they can cause certain fungal rot. And one more thing, that you should have to keep these small stem cuttings in the shade, so that they will heal up, and then you can use them as a stem cutting. Now you can see that this is our media, and media consists of simple sand 50% and simple garden soil 50%. Now this is our media. Okay, now you can see that it seems to be very soft. Because of the addition of sand, it seems to be very soft. Now we are just leveling our media, because it is an essential process. The ups and downs in the media can result in fungal progression. Okay, so now we have leveled up our media. Now we will put our stem cuttings. Let me adjust the cam. Okay, now our media is totally soaked up. On first time, you should have to give a lot of water, so that all the media will get soaked properly, and then after you can give it water when the above surface of the media is totally dried up. Okay, now we have placed our second stem cutting, and now this is our third stem cutting. So now we have placed all the cuttings in it. Now you can see it properly, and I have zoomed it out so that you can see the media composition and the placement of the stem cuttings. Okay, on October 4, 2024. Now a lot of time has been passed, and now you can see that all of my stem cuttings have grown properly, and it is a very delicate sedum, so you can see that it has grown all over the pot, because it is not having any sort of like a perfect stem. We can't say that it has a perfect stem. It is a very delicate stem. And now you can see that we have got a huge progress on the root side, means that the root ball is very good. You can see it properly. With the help of these roots, it used to take a lot of water, and then as it is a succulent plant, so it will store it in the leaves and stem. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow or propagate the Turkish sedum or sedum pallidum stone crop in the soil. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.